Good morning from Dubai. We are on our way today to Fujairah. We're going to visit the fish market. We're going to have some coffee and snacks before that. Fish market basically is you're going to buy fish and then you're going to go to the restaurant and they prepare your food for you. Never been there before. It's my first time. My husband is taking me today. And yeah, super excited.
Let's go with us.
Let's go with us. Let's go on a road trip and have some snacks. This is my first time seeing this ice cream. That's so cool. I'm gonna try one. Cappuccino, and we had a Spanish latte as well. We had a little stop by the ADNOC petrol station, and I've been seeing this actually since months, that they have a really, really good cappuccino. So finally got my hands on it. Let's try. I think it's very hot. I hope I'm not gonna burn myself. Hot. I think I burned myself a bit.
You did?
I asked him and he said it's not that hot, and I burned myself. So here we have a cheese pretzel. Goes to you.
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome. Looks really good. This is Lebanon za'atar. Really delicious. I'm gonna have one bite of this chicken pretzel thing. Like a pizza roll around. Last but not least, cheese and parsley. It looks good, right? Like a cheese and parsley boat. Really love this. I could not resist but to get this Locker sandwich, chocolate sandwich ice cream, and let's try. It's a nice breakfast. That's how it looks like. It's delicious and absolutely doable for breakfast. I also got this pistachio kunafa chocolate, tiny chocolate bar. I was planning to eat that later, but it started to get hot in Dubai, so this will not survive in the car. The Dubai pistachio chocolate is just amazing. The drive to Fujairah is such a nice scenic view with the mountains left and right. So we just passed the desert and now we're gonna drive through the mountains, which is very beautiful. So many camels. Oh my God, how cute. And so many baby camels. Oh. The flag park that we have here. You can see the flags on like little forts on the mountains. Look at this beautiful blue crab. Oh my God. Nice. Squid. So beautiful. These are huge fish. Wow. These two are waiting here for food, I think. Hi. Someone was kind to feed the cat. So cute. Tuna, yeah? Tuna? Tuna. Look the size.
Yeah, that's...
What's this inside?
Egg.
Egg? Oh. Yes, yes. Ah, the eggs are here inside. Cool. And this is hamur. Oh, that's huge. What is this called?
It's a food.
It's squid?
Yeah.
So huge,
Big
yeah?
squid.
Big squid, yeah. That's the normal size.
Fresh.
So you buy your fish in a fish market and then you come here and they clean it for you. They clean it out with salt and there's a lot happening here. It's very loud, you can hear. Such a cool experience. So much happening here. I didn't know. I never saw this in my life before. Oh, so here we have a fish auction. Very cool.
Yeah, please.
Okay, that's our fish now. They're cleaning it, removing all the... We asked them to cut it in half, so basically open it like a butterfly, and then we're gonna take it to the restaurant to prepare for us. We're going to the restaurant now to get the fish prepared. Oh my god, what a cool experience this was. Okay, I really loved it. It was so cool. Let's go to the restaurant and prepare the food because I'm getting hungry now after seeing all those delicious fishes. It's hot. Summer officially started and I'm sweating.
This goes in. This is
35 degrees outside. I just came to the car to cool down a little bit. It's crazy. What they did with the fish, okay, so they put salt on it and put it to the oven and go back in 10 minutes and then they're gonna marinate it again and put it again to the oven for like maybe 1 hour.
powder.
This is such a cool experience. So they're adding now the spices to the fish, packing it up for us.
First seasoning, salt, masala, chili powder, and now time for fish.
Wow.
Thank you. place. Again, beautiful seasoning. Chili powder, masala, salt, and Kiani.
Yeah, it looked really good with all the spices and wow. I'll wait till
Amazing.
So we are walking actually to a cafeteria where we're going to eat the fish now. We're gonna get some rice there and some drinks and yeah, I'm excited. So we're gonna walk, this is behind the fish market now. It's hot. Okay, so we got some fish curry as well. It smells really good. And this is all fish, they put it together. And now we're getting some rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rice is underneath.
Oh, rice is. Oh, yeah, I see it. There's the rice. Oh, I'm so excited to eat. Okay, cool. First thing I need a cold drink, a cold Coke. It's the best when it's hot. I don't know how to remove the. Okay, it's delicious.
Apply. I'm gonna go with a just a rice.
I love the big fish. Are you still taking? Right, oh my god, I'm digging in here. This is so delicious and it's so much I don't know where to stop, but definitely I like the bigger fish. What was the bigger fish? Sea bream?
Sea bass.
Sea bass. I love the sea bass and like the crispy parts on the side, and I mean, look at this. So good. And then I just mix it with the rice underneath, and the rice already soaked up all the juices from the fish, so it's super delicious. Big fish bones, be careful. And yes, I'm eating with my hand today. The small fish was which one? Sea bream, yeah?
Sea bream.
Supreme.
Sea bass.
Sea bream, or supreme as they call it here in the UAE. Look at this part, it's like the crispy fish skin. Oh my god, I love this part. See that? You see how crispy that is? Oh. And spicy. It's like still full of the masala. Right next to the fish market, we also have this vegetable market. You can get everything here. I love it. Everything is so green and it's nice. Got all the herbs, mango and melon. Mango looks good. Oh, that's cabbage, that's not melon. Papaya. Fresh mango looks very delicious, yeah? The mango really looks good. That's the new Abdullah cafeteria, like in the middle of this cute little market. And they even have snacks. He's subscribing now. This is Kerala style of Karak tea. Oh, it's so hot. How did you even drink?
You have to drink like your husband.
Like slurping?
Slurping.
It's too hot.
You have to slurp. You don't
I can't even slurp.
You just.
Oh, hot but delicious, yeah? Very nice. Little textile market here as well. So cute. Hi. Oh wow, your beautiful eyes. You can also get your meat here. You have a lot of butchers in this street. Big piece. Wow. That's a head.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the tongue.
Buffalo head.
That's a head. Oh my God, it's huge. Look at the teeth. Look at the tongue. That's a tongue? Oh, look at the teeth. Oh my goodness. Big. That was such a cool experience. Like, I've never been to a fish market as such before, and then we got the fish and we saw how they cleaned it and prepared it and went to the restaurant and everything. So super cool experience. I can highly recommend it. This is in Fujairah. It's like 1.5 hours drive from Dubai. Let's see. Is this the ticket?
I think so.
We'll see when the window opens. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thank you.
Fuya.
See you. Have a
Thank you
nice
so
day.
much. Have a lovely day. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Ooh, looks nice.
Huh?
Looks very nice.
It's
Thank you.
mixed, right?
Thank you. This is my McFlurry. It's McFlurry Kit Kat with chocolate and caramel sauce. This is so heavy and delicious. All right. It's good, right? If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. And I'm going to see you next week.